How to delete Kraken account permanently. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Kraken mobile application. Then on the home page, you need to tap on the account tab that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now once you are in your account, you need to tap on your email address or your home page in the top. So you need to tap on this section. Here you will be able to see the last option of close account. So you need to tap on the close account option and it will ask you to select the reason of your closure. So you can select any of the reasons of your choice and then you need to press continue. On the next page, it may give you the repercussions that you need to bear after deleting your Kraken account. So if you are certain about it, then you just have to simply agree to the terms and conditions and tap on the close or delete account option again. This way you will be able to delete your account permanently of Kraken. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.